Hi everyone, I wanted to take a few minutes to discuss a really interesting case that I've been working on. The patient Mike Smith is a 34-year-old gentleman who's been experiencing some significant vision problems, and it's all connected to a condition affecting his brain. He's having issues with his peripheral vision, seeing double, and he's been bumping into things, which is understandably quite confusing and frustrating for him. The main condition Mike has is called leukodystrophy. This is a disease that affects the white matter in the brain. Think of the white matter as the brain's wiring, those connections that allow different parts of the brain to communicate with each other. In Mike's case, this leukodystrophy is affecting the parieto-occipital lobes on both sides, more on the left, and a part called the splenium of the corpus callosum. So the areas of the brain responsible for processing vision are being disrupted by this condition. One of the major visual problems resulting from this is bilateral homonymous hemianopsia, which means that Mr. Smith has lost the same half of his field of vision in both eyes. In this situation, it's the lower half of his vision that's affected. Imagine wearing blinders that cut off your view below the center. This makes it very difficult to see things on the ground or low down. Mr. Smith also has alexia without agraphia. This is a reading problem. He can physically see the words on the page, but his brain struggles to process and understand what those words mean. The important thing is that he can still write, he can form the letters, but reading is where he has difficulty. Lastly, he has mild simultagnosia. This means he has trouble seeing and processing multiple things at the same time. He might see individual objects, but piecing together the whole scene is a challenge. These conditions are significantly impacting Mr. Smith's daily life. The homonymous hemianopsia causes him to bump into things and miss objects because he can't see them in his lower visual field. The alexia makes reading and working on his computer very difficult. Unfortunately, Mr. Smith had to give up driving due to these vision problems, which greatly affects his independence. He also has trouble adjusting to changes in light conditions, and his family members have even noticed that he leans to his right side. When we take a look at his visual acuity, without glasses, he sees 20/40 - 1 in his right eye, 20/40 - 2 in his left, and 20/40 + 2 with both eyes. With his glasses, his vision improves to 20/30 + 2. In simpler terms, this means he has reduced distance vision, but his glasses help him see better. His near vision is 1 meter at 40 centimeters without glasses, and 0.8 meters at 40 centimeters with glasses, indicating difficulty reading. His visual field tests show the inferior field loss we discussed and some scattered blind spots, particularly in his left eye. Mr. Smith does have a refractive error, meaning he needs glasses. His current prescription is -0.50, -0.75 at 10 degrees in the right eye, and 0.75 diopter sphere in the left eye, with 4 diopters of prism in the right lens. The glasses correct his vision, but the main vision problems are caused by the leukodystrophy. He used to have Frenzel prisms, but they were removed because they gave him headaches. Mr. Smith's team has put together a plan to help him. He benefits from gray tint in his glasses to reduce the glare, and he uses a handheld flashlight and good lighting at home. A 2-time monocular telescope helps him locate signs at a distance. He also uses assistive apps on his phone, and we've referred him for further assessments for screen magnification and screen reader software. He's doing well with voice assistants like Siri. He'll receive training in scanning techniques to compensate for his vision loss and orientation mobility training for safe travel with a cane. We've also referred him for counseling and support group to help him cope, and we'll see him again in 6 months to monitor his progress. It is important to note that the rest of his eye exam was normal. His slit lamp exam, dilated fundus exam, OCT, and eye pressure were all healthy. This confirms that his vision problems are due to the leukodystrophy affecting his brain. In summary, Mr. Smith has significant vision challenges due to leukodystrophy. This is causing homonymous hemianopsia, alexia, and simultagnosia. We are using various strategies, including glasses, assistive technology, and rehabilitation to help him adapt and maintain his quality of life. It's a complex situation, but I promise we're working together to provide the best possible support.